Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to redeem a Nintendo eShop gift card code. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet and that you're signed in to the correct Nintendo account. From the home menu, open the Nintendo eShop and choose the profile you want to use. Once inside, scroll down the left side and select Redeem Code. Now carefully enter the 16 character code from your eShop card. Letters and numbers only. No spaces or dashes. Press OK and you'll see the amount added to your balance or the game download linked to that code. Confirm and it's instantly applied to your account. If you prefer, you can also redeem codes from a web browser by going to nintendo.com/redeem, signing in, and entering the same 16 character code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.